Welcome back to Hot Rods World. Today we're looking at the 93 Cobra. Like you say, it's been my hot rod. I had it since probably 2000. Drove it to college actually, and like I say, slowly transitioned. Right now, North Carolina is winter, so it's cold outside. I think right now it's probably going to be right at freezing tonight. So we'll see how that goes. But like I say, kind of talk through the channel. I want to go through. So I'm working right now on trying to get the exhaust switched out. We talked about that last video. We have an oil leak at the back of the motor, so it's I kind of narrowed it down to two places. I'm thinking either the rear main seal or it's coming from the race pack. It plugs. It's got an oil feed line on the back side of the block, but both of those take transmission removal. So probably next video or two, you'll see me. I'll get it up on jack stands. We'll drop the transmission out and see if we can isolate the issue. While I'm under there, there's the shifter linkage for the power glide was bent. So last time I was at the track, I had to use almost all the adjustment to make sure it falls into the 1-2 shift. I would be in the burnout box, go to high gear, and it would just kind of get stuck in between, I'm guessing, first and second, somewhere in there. So that's the plans right now, to work on that. Like you say, I do want to work on getting the hood painted. I'm not sure when that'll happen. I haven't even located. Kind of just moved to this area probably like a month ago. So just trying to figure out, bearings of where everything is right now. But like I say, the car's here. North Carolina, I think they start testing around March. So I got a couple things to do before they start testing. Normally I go to Piedmont Dragway. So that would be pretty good. I am going to, I want to see if it'll fire up. This car has probably been sitting for about a month now, so kind of cold here. So one of the things we'll do is get in there, see if we can get it started. It's not too bad, but like I said, last time I did try to start it, it was cold moving it. It backfired pretty good and started a little fire there. I had to run and get the hood off of it, but everything's okay. So let's see if we can get it started and see what happens.